Nitrogen was discovered by Daniel Rutherford. It consists of two atoms. It exists as N2. So that is why it is known by the name of dinitrogen. It can be prepared by many ways. The commercial preparation is done by the fractional distillation of air. Air is liquefied, nitrogen is collected, leaving behind liquid oxygen. In the laboratory, nitrogen is prepared by the reaction of sodium nitride with ammonium chloride. There will be formation of NaCl, N2 and that of a water. Some amount of NO and HNO3 are also formed, which are later on removed by reacting with sulfuric acid. The next method is thermal decomposition of ammonium dichromate. Ammonium dichromate is heated. There is a formation of chromium trioxide, nitrogen with that of a water. Very pure nitrogen is prepared by heating barium azide. There is a formation of barium and nitrogen, but board examiners, they don't ask barium azide, rather than they ask what happens by the reaction of sodium azide. By the heating of sodium azide, whose formula is NaN3, there will be formation of sodium with the release of nitrogen. Similarly, if we see the properties of nitrogen, it is non-toxic gas, it does not help in combustion, it is having two isotopes, 14N and 15N. It is having very low solubility in water. The chemical properties are depend upon the nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond. It is very less reactive at the room temperature. It is used for the production of inert atmosphere. Its low reactivity is due to small size, high bond dissociation enthalpy. It reacts with litmus and it is neutral in nature. It acts with metals and it forms nitride. Like with lithium, it forms lithium nitride. With magnesium, when it is reacted, it will be forming Mg3N2, that is magnesium nitride. With ammonia, it is react with hydrogen for the formation of ammonia. With oxygen, it reacts to form nitric oxides. The nitrogen is a good refrigerant. It is used in steel industry. It is used for the formation of inert atmosphere. And there are so many other uses. For the manufacturing of ammonia, it is used. You go through notes, do this chapter simultaneously, otherwise it will become difficult to learn later on. If any query, you can ask.